My book, The Forest Unseen, follows a year in the life of 1 square meter of old-growth forest in Tennessee.
So here we are. This is the 1 square meter of forest, what I call the forest mandala.
I wanted to tell the stories of the forest. There are so many stories about how the forest works, its ecology, its evolution, that I know as a professional scientist, but the general public doesn't know.
So the moss tells us how much the Earth's belly rises and falls through the year.
So this book really focuses on that 1 square meter as a way of structuring the narrative and telling the stories, but it's really about a lot more. It's about nature as a whole, including ourselves. That lens starts to become a mirror and we see our own human nature a little bit. This is the ledger of our future. These twigs are made out of cellulose. Cellulose is the incarnation of carbon dioxide. So by measuring how much each twig grows, we can figure out how much of that carbon dioxide is being drawn into the forest and stored, saving us in part from the worst effects of greenhouse gases. Sensory details that if you just give them attention, chase boredom away and invite this great rush of wonder into your life.